What's the meaning of bunk? Bunk. Bunk.
Bunk. Bunk. The term bunk can have a few different meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally speaking, bunk refers to something that is considered untrue or nonsensical, often used to describe an idea or statement that is lacking in credibility or validity. Additionally, bunk can also refer to a type of bed or sleeping arrangement, often used in military barracks or other communal living situations. Overall, the result of using the term bunk is to convey either a sense of disbelief or skepticism towards something that has been said or proposed, or to describe a specific type of sleeping arrangement used in communal living situations.